Today we're at Buddy Stubbs Harley-Davidson in North Phoenix, Arizona. Today we're going to show you how to install a turn signal conversion kit with a triple play and your 10-function brake alert on this beautiful 2006 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. The first step is to replace the incandescent bulbs with the LED bullet rings that we're going to be using today. You can see here that there's a little notch in the stock turn signal. You just pop it off. You take your 1156 bulb and you pop it, take it off. We're going to be using a smoked lens today, and we go ahead and just you take your 56 bulb and you push it in. You take your pigtail and you put it in the things and you pop it on, and it's that simple. Now we have done this one light. Go ahead and do the next 3 lights exactly the same way that I just did this light here. Now we have both lights installed on the rear of the bike. The next step we're going to do is we're going to place the stock factory front bulb, which is 1157 with this orange lens. Again, there's a little groove there. Pop it off. Reach in there and pull out your bulb. Take our bullet rings, which has also an 1157 adapter. Just put it in the thing, pop it into place. Take your pigtail, pop it in. It's that simple. Okay, you see that we've already installed the left side of the bike, and these are our chrome bullet rings from Custom Dynamics. The next step we are going to do is we are going to install the turn signal conversion kit, which allows your turn signals to act properly once you do LED turn signals. Now you can see it has a hot and a ground. We've already hooked up the hot and the ground. I personally like to hook up the hot first and the ground second. And as you can see, we have pigtails at the end of this. We've got a male plug and a female plug that we will get to here in a minute. Our next step is to locate the factory plug that goes back to the tail light turn signals. As you can see right here, you can find this plug right on the back of the fender. It has a small little push plug. You just push it down and pull it apart. It's that simple. Our next step is going to be to plug in our triple play module. As you can see on the back of it, it has our 10-function brake alert. You take your turn signal conversion and you do a plug-in to the plug. You then plug the turn signal stabilizer into the triple play itself, and then you go ahead and you take the triple play module and you plug it into the wire going to the back of the motorcycle. It's very crucial that you plug in the turn signal stabilizer before you plug in the triple play. Now we're all plugged together. It's very simple, just takes a couple of minutes. As you can see on the 2006 Road Glide, there's a nice little spot there that you can go ahead and put the turn signal stabilizer and the triple play in there, kind of tuck it in there real nice. And then just go ahead and take your plugs and you can go ahead and wire tie those real nice. They're completely out of the way and you can put the seat back on. Now you can see that we have removed the stock factory tail light so you can get a full effect of the turn signals. Now with our bullet rings, you can see it has 7 outside driving lights and it's got a 24 inner driving light. They're very effective, they're very bright. As you can see with our bullet rings, it's a very effective turn signal as well as a tail light. We also have them in a 48 LED cluster that you use your factory lens with to hold them in. This has a bullet lens that is chrome that matches your chrome housing. As you can see in the front, we installed our bullet rings. We also have these in a dynamic ring, which is just a cluster with an outside LED ring of white and an inside LED ring of amber. These of our bullet rings have a 7 LED driving light on the outside, and when you turn the turn signal on, you have an amber LED turn signal, which is very functional and very bright. And then once you turn the turn signal off, your driving light comes back on. Again, we would like to thank Chris, the service manager of Buddy Stubbs Harley-Davidson in Phoenix, Arizona, to show you how to install our turn signal conversion kit. If you would like to get a hold of Buddy Stubbs Harley-Davidson, Chris will let you know how to do that.
We're really impressed with the Custom Dynamics LED setup. It's super bright, and I feel way safer on the road with the other traffic knowing my intentions. So we're really impressed, and we carry the full line. Stop by and see us, or give us a call, 602-971-3400.
Again, thanks Chris, I really appreciate it.